Okay, this video will tell you the estimated time of completion it takes using different transmission methods, the reasons for this phenomenon, how to solve this dilemma, and how to use professional third-party software to improve transfer efficiency. Part 2. Why does transferring data to new iPhone take so long? Transferring extensive data, like photos, videos, music, and apps, can take time. Internet speed Wi-Fi cellular affects the process. Encryption and differing iOS versions may slow it down. Part 3. What if the iPhone transfer takes too long? 7 possible solutions. Solution 1. Keep iPhones within close range. Solution 2. Charge both devices. Solution 3. Connect to a good Wi-Fi network. Solution 4. Try USB connection. Solution 5. Enable airplane mode. Solution 6. Force restart your iPhones. Solution 7. Keep iOS updated. Part 4. How to transfer data from iPhone to iPhone skillfully, quick, and seamless. Right bracket. Do you want to set up a secure connection and transfer content to another iPhone in the shortest possible time? Try the software Mobican Transfer for Mobile Win and Mac, mentioned in the first section. Free download this program and follow the drill below to transfer data from iPhone to iPhone fluently. Step 1. Launch transfer for mobile. Step 2. Confirm the sending and receiving device. Step 3. Transfer files from iPhone to iPhone.